sore tailbone typically occurs when you fall on it or bump it against something, although occasionally not. And like many injuries of this sort in sports medicine, ice or cold is the most effective initial treatment. I would consider an ice bag, an ice pack, or a bag of frozen peas or corn on the tailbone for about 5 minutes, up to 10. You can repeat this every few hours as needed, up to 4 times or even 6 times a day. This reduces pain as well as inflammation. There's not a lot of padding in that tailbone area, so you won't need to leave the ice on very long, and it seems to be quite effective, even though it might be a sensitive spot. There's also an over-the-counter medication, which consists of an anti-inflammatory that's been prepared into a gel, a topical gel. It's called diclofenac or Voltaren gel, and you can rub a little bit of this onto your tailbone 3 or 4 times a day, which helps relieve both pain and inflammation. And get it checked out if it continues to hurt you beyond that.